Hey guys, Luca with Prime Tech Support here. So here we have the beginning stages of a GPU repair. So this is where I take all incoming GPUs and kind of process them in our system. So first I take pictures of them, make sure to write out the documents for the text, and then make sure to add all the information about the GPU itself online, upload the pictures of the graphics card, and enter all the configuration for the graphics card. So here we have a package of 5. The first one was an RX 5700 XT, and then the rest of them were Radeon 7s. So for the rest of this clip, I'll just be processing all the GPUs. Stick around.